Granite giants touch the sky so wide, whispering secrets the rivers confide. Pines stand tall where the eagles glide. Oh, Yosemite, calling me home, where the cliffs and the stars have always roamed. Oh, Yosemite, I'm never alone. Valleys carved by the glacier's might, moonlight dances on a peak so bright. Every shadow holds a tale of night. The wind hums low, the trees all know. Oh, Yosemite, calling me home, where the cliffs and the stars have always